Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we're replacing the high beam bulb on 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. So closer to the grill you have high beam, closer to the fender you have low beam, so we're replacing high beam. So you just turn this counterclockwise until this cover pops out. Next we will unplug the bulb, just 2 pins. Next you press on this pin and push it up and release the bulb and pull it out, and as you can see this one is burned down. So for the bulbs we are using H7 bulb. I will leave a link in the description to a few options, which one you like. You can either go traditional bulb or you can use high efficiency LEDs. Important thing is not to touch the bulb with your skin. That's why it is strongly recommended to wear gloves when you do this. So you'll gently put it in, and same drill, you don't want to touch any surfaces. So there is that tab. I'm just trying to focus. Okay, so there is that tab at the top, so you point it towards 12 degrees, you put the bulb in, you put this lever back in, so you push it in and push it down. Now you put your wiring. Next thing you need to close this, so just go clockwise until it's tight, and that will be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check the links to the bulbs that you might need. Again, this is high beam, this is low beam H7 bulb. Thanks for watching. Do it yourself.